Welcome back, everybody. BA Life-Adelic. Today we're going to do a little project to get ready for a bigger project. Workbench work. All right, we'll get our stuff out here and do a little work on workbenches. So I've got this little workbench that I put together. To be portable. And I got to get it ready to do a bigger project. So we start off with this X. I got this in Germany at the Norma. Pretty cool. Holds a good bit of weight there. Got my top. So that's all we do. Just latch those Velcro straps. Keeps it on there. And then I got some pieces we'll show you here. Put on there. So I've got some pieces that I put on to clamp on maybe a light or phone holder, cell phone holder if I need it there. I've got an outlet here. Got a magnetic bar to attach my tools. Another little clamping space here. And then I've got some boards that I can screw in here. You need to make a right angle clamp sort of thing. These holes are for clamps if I need to clamp something here. And I want to grab these pieces and put them on there so I'm ready for my next project. So I got these set in there. Got these little thumb screws. Get that put in there. Come on now. So that way I can put a piece here, clamp it through there, and that way it stays pretty tight. I've also got this here little clamping bench. I've got this little top here I've just been setting it on there. But I think what I'm going to do is run a small scrap down the middle of this board so I can clamp it in between here. So whenever I want to use this as a flat bench, no problemo. Let's see what scraps I got. Find the seam. Go. So this is real easy. Just bubbles out. And then this rotates out. Make sure these are pushed down. Kind of simple. It's a little tight on those rotators, but not bad. Bob's your uncle. cool workspace. Got my whole bench to do the project. Set my tools, pieces I need, set it over here. And if I have a small project, I can set this up, work on there. I don't have to worry about all this. There you go. A little workbench work. Now we're ready for all of our projects this winter. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.